Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth speaker not connecting to Windows PC or laptop. So first method is go to settings, and go to Bluetooth and remove your previous Bluetooth speaker like this. Remove and turn off and on your Bluetooth. Off and on. This not work. So second method is set speaker on Bluetooth mode. This speaker set on Bluetooth mode. So this method not work. And third method is reset your Bluetooth speaker. A reset button is not given. So hold your power on off button to 15 seconds. And this is resets. This not work. And fourth method is right click on sound icon. Right click and go to settings, sound setting, and select your correct speaker. This not work. And fifth method is go to system and go to troubleshoot and another troubleshoot and Bluetooth run. So I hope this five method are helpful for you. I will back in next video. So this video like, share, subscribe. Bye.